Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you that how you can make a simplest Morph PowerPoint presentation. Let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to make a blank presentation. Right click on it and choose the layout to blank. Make sure to close this design. Go to insert and insert a shape. Drag it to the layout. Make sure all the shapes are equally fit into the layout. Duplicate the shapes. Now change the color of each shape. I will choose the color purple. I will make it a little bit lighter. Like this. Second shape I will choose light blue. And the third light yellow type. Go to the shape format and change the outline to no outline. Make sure you do it with every shape. Now go to insert and insert a text box. Drag it to the shape like this and write what we want. Change the size to 80 and style to this Avenir, and make sure you change the font color to white. Make sure you fit it into the center like this. Now duplicate the text with the help of Ctrl D. Duplicate it in the other shapes. Now change the text. I will choose Nike this time. Select the text and make sure you fit it to the center. Like this. Puma. Like this. Perfect. Now go to insert. Make sure you select the shape and insert the images. If you want these images, link will be in the description. And change the size of these shoes. Make them smaller. Like this. Now rotate it. Make them smaller a little bit. Rotate it and make them smaller. Make sure it is fit in the center. Perfect. Now what you have to do is select the text and make it italic. Perfect. Now go to the slide and duplicate the slide with the help of Ctrl D. Now go to the second slide and hold Ctrl and select these shapes. Only shape, make sure you don't select this text and shoes. Now hold shift and change this size to a half. Like this. Now make the shoe smaller, a little bit like this. Now change the text size to 32. Bring it to the center like this, and like this. Same you have to do with the first shape, 32. Like this. Now hold Ctrl and select the shape, text and the shoes and join it with the first shape. Make sure these shapes equally fills the layout. Like this. Perfect. Now select the third shape and hold shift and drag it to the layout. Perfect. Now select the shoes, bring it to the normal shape and increase its size a little bit larger, like this. Bring it to the center like this. Now select the text, bring it to the top. Now select the text and increase its size to about 150. Bring it to the top. Increase the size of the shoe a little bit more. Bring it to the center. And the text should be a little bit inside the shoes. Now select the text and duplicate it. Now bring the shoes to the center like this. Change the size of this duplicated text to 24. it down and write whatever you want. I will just insert the lorem text. I will maybe decrease its size like this. Perfect. Now again go to the second slide, Control D, duplicate the slide, for this decrease the size of the shoes, read this text and decrease the size of this text 32, same as this text. Now bring here, reduce the size, rotate it, like this shape, hold shift and drag it like this. Make sure it is equal to the size of the second shape. Perfect. Now drag the second shape to the layout like this. And increase the size of the text, same 150. Now increase the size of the shoe. Make sure you fit it in the center. Like this. Now select the text and same duplicate it. Decrease the size 24. Bring it down. Write whatever you want. Fit it in the center. Done. Go to the third slide and duplicate it with the help of Ctrl D. Now again you have to do the same thing. There is a little bit not good here. Make sure it is all in the same position, the text and the shoes, same size and everything. I think this shoes is a little bit larger. Make it smaller like this. I think it's perfect. Now go to the first slide, hold shift and select all these slide. Go to the transitions and select more. Go to the slideshow and it's done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.